So in today's video, I will break down all the trades which were taken on our channels. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. So let's begin. Here you can just check out our first signal was for CAD and OTC for the call side 5 minutes. You can just set your timer to the flag time. This was a very good one. You can just check out. Yeah, so in this trade, the price tapped into a strong support level and it held into that zone firmly. Support was respected, showing that buyers were in strength. There was a clean setup right here, so we bought this trade and we won it. For the call side, amazing win right there. You can just check out. The next signal was for FedEx OTC for the call side. Again, in this trade, the price came into a support level, but this time we got an extra confirmation. Through the candle psychology, there was rejection of VIX and showed buyers stepping in. This was a very clear signal for us for the upside movement, and we won this trade. Amazing win for the call side, FedEx OTC. The next signal was for Apple OTC for the put side. Here you can just check out. This was also an amazing win. In this, the market hit a well-defined resistance level. The price failed to break above it and reacted downwards. Here was our trade bought for the downside, and it was a very amazing win again. The next signal was for Microsoft OTC for the put side. In this, it was also a very good win. In this, the price tapped into a strong resistance level. Here it is marked. While the overall structure was in a downtrend, the trend direction plus the level both pointed down. It was a very high probability trade and we won this trade. Amazing win right there. The next signal was for Exxon Mobil OTC for the call side. The price reached a clean support level after a very good downtrend, and the level acted as a demand area, signaling a potential upside. We bought this trade right here at the support zone and we won this trade. Amazing win. So the next signal was for ExxonMobil OTC for the call side again. In this trade, this was a very good win. You can check out. Yeah, so in this trade, the previous candle engulfed the red candle and turned bullish, showing that a clear shift in momentum. There was a good support level, plus the bullish engulfing was there, so it was a strong confirmation to buy this trade, and we bought this and we won this trade. Amazing win right there. You can just check out. The next signal was for again ExxonMobil OTC. This was also a very good win. In this trade, the falling candle continued to turn bullish as the buyers were reinforcing and were still in control and defending the level. So we bought this trade for the call side again, won this trade. Amazing win right there. The next signal was for ExxonMobil OTC for the put side again. In this trade, the price later pushed into a resistance level where the finally price reached a slowed down. Resistance level was held, showing at the top of the move. This was a very good time to buy this trade for the put side, and it was a very good win. You can check out. Amazing win right there. So you can just check out. These were our trades for today. Amazing win. Everything was there. We followed the market, the structures. Thank you so much. See you in the next breakdown.